and welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. RBI tells Goa State Cooperative Bank to implement OTS scheme after consulting Board of Directors and permission from Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies. $225 acres of land at Dhargal not sufficient for setting up IIT. Schedule IIT courses to make debut at Pharmagudi GEC. Government to search alternate site. Sambar deer found dead suspiciously near Alto Porvory Sports Club in civilian locality. Sambar seems to be a juvenile. Forest Department takes custody. Dust from coal handling at Aronda Jetty may affect school children. School situated just 500 meters away from jetty. Fishermen agitate to save their livelihood. And defending champions Tempo Cricket Club builds team around Sagun Kamat. New entrant Kakulo Guns by Swapnil Snorkar. GPL players auction sets mood for 2020 Fiesta. And now the news in detail. Reserve Bank of India has advised Goa State Cooperative Bank to seek permission of Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies on the mining loan OTS scheme. RBI has told the bank to move ahead only after approval of Board of Directors of the bank. Now, Goa State Cooperative Bank and Central Registrar will have to decide upon the contentious issue.
Goa government had formulated a special one-time loan settlement scheme for mining truck owners. Nationalized banks in Goa had accepted this OTS scheme. Goa State Cooperative Bank had written to Reserve Bank of India to permit them to implement this OTS scheme. The correspondence requesting permission was done on 30th December. Goa State Cooperative Bank has cited that RBI's green signal was essential. RBI has now written back to the state cooperative banks. Letter says Board of Directors can exercise their right and implement one-time settlement scheme. But prior to that, permission from Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies is essential. Goa State Cooperative Bank is now a multi-state bank, hence permission from Central Registrar is mandatory. It has already declared to waive off loans of truck owners if RBI agrees. But RBI has pushed the onus back on Goa State Cooperative Bank. If Goa State Cooperative Bank implements OTS scheme, then it might put the bank in financial trouble. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani has conveyed to Goa government that 225 acres of land at Dhargal will not be sufficient for setting up an IIT. IIT will now have to be shifted to some other spacious venue. The scheduled IIT courses at Pedne colleges will now make debut at Pharmagudi Engineering College. Chief Minister met HRD Minister Smriti Irani and Civil Aviation Minister Ashok Gajpati Raju in Delhi.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar met Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani on Monday after Niti Aayog meeting on Sunday. The land allotted for IIT at Dhargal is not sufficient as per Union HRD Ministry.
जे इंस्पेक्शन पैनल आईने आम्ही त्यांना 250 एकर दिले धारगळची 400 एकर पर्यंत नाही.
अकॅडमिक इयर 15-16 आसून ते स्टार्ट करता म्हणून ते आता खंय स्टार्ट करतले तर
आम्ही जे हांगा म्हणटले पेडणे गव्हर्नमेंट कॉलेज त्या ऐवजी इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज फार्मागुडी पेडणे कॉलेजची जागा म्हटली थंय बिल्डिंग बांधता आम्ही.
ओके
त्यामुळे तिका स्पीडअप करून ती जागा दिवया अशी म्हटली तरी तिचे रूम्साचे डायमेन्शन्स डू नॉट फुलफिल देअर रिक्वायरमेंट.
ओके
त्यामुळे इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज जे फार्मागुडी आसा.
Thereafter, CM met Civil Aviation Minister Ashok Gajpati Raju. Meeting discussed economic regulatory framework necessary for Mopa Airport project.
Before going for RFP, economic regulatory framework हे फायनलाइज जावंक जाय आणि ताच्या खातीर सगळ्या संबंधितांकडे ते प्रेझेंटेशन असले. सगळे संबंधित म्हणजे कोण मिनिस्टर सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन ताचे ऑफिसर्स कमिशनर ब्युरो ऑफ सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन सिक्युरिटी मागीर सेक्रेटरी एअरपोर्ट इकॉनॉमिक रेग्युलेटरी ऑथॉरिटी, मागीर चेअरमन एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. बीड दिवपा खातीर जी माहिती जाय प्रॉस्पेक्टिव्ह बिडराक ती माहिती फायनलायज करपाची आसली. ऑन गेटिंग देअर अप्रुव्हल वी विल गो फॉर RFP.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
A sambar deer was found dead suspiciously near Alto Porvory Sports Club on Monday. One of the local residents informed the forest department. Locals claim that sambar died as it got hurt with the ledge of the entrance gate of a complex. Questions are being raised on how a juvenile sambar entered dense civilian area and lost its life.
हरण आहा पळय सांबर पळय ते एवटेनसून हे हेचेसून फास्ट धांवन येयलो आनी पळय हेंची रावता पळय हेंची गाडी हांगासर आहली ते भिवन तो हेतूनसून उडकी मारून हो भितर गेलो. आतां भितरसून परतून रावंड मारून भायर येयलो तेन्ना पळय हे गेटीचे ते वयले हे घालपाचे आसता पळय ते बी तुटून हांगासर पावले आनी तेन्नाच मातसो जीव आसलो तेका मागीर उदीक बी हाडून घातलें आनी मागीर मेलो तो.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.